What up, everyone? Here's how to submit an idea or an AIP to the ApeCoin DAO. The first thing you got to do is go to the forum. You can get to the forum by going to forum.apecoin.com or apecoin.com and click on discussion at the very top. In order to submit an idea, you should be aware of the process that these ideas will go through when writing an AIP. It starts off by submitting a new topic in AIP ideas. You don't have to, but you can use the AIP draft template or just drop your thoughts and suggestions no matter how vague they are. After the AIP ideas stage, it's going to go into AIP drafts. These are proposals that started as an AIP idea of which the author decided to move forward and submit as a formal AIP draft. After that, it can go into administrative review. These are AIPs that have been tagged with needs administrative review for the special counsel to determine if clarification or further actions are required before moving to a vote. Finally, it'll show up in final AIPs that have been put on snapshot for the community to vote on. If you want to submit an idea, go to AIP ideas, and when you're in that section, you can click on New Topic on the very top right. When you do that, this section will pop up where you can type a title, make sure it's under AIP Ideas. You have optional tags that you can use. And just remember, proposals submitted to the AIP Ideas category doesn't have to be fully fleshed out. Topics submitted here are not required to be submitted as a formal AIP draft template. However, you could still use this template if you wish. To find that template, when you create a new topic, it'll show up linked with the word template here. You can also find the AIP draft template by going to the homepage of the forum. And under the AIP ideas description, there's a link to AIP draft where you can click on that and you'll be able to copy and paste this template and use it for yourself. Step 3, proposal details. Fill in the necessary details like the proposal title, description, rationale, and any other relevant information. Be clear and concise. Step 4, submit your AIP. Review your proposal to ensure all information is accurate. Click Create Topic, and that's it. The post may require approval, and one of the ApeCoin facilitators will review it and just make sure it's not spam. Step 5, engage and discuss. Engage with the ApeCoin community, answer questions, and gather feedback to refine your proposal and increase its chances of acceptance. Just go to the AIP idea, make sure you're logged in, and reply with the community. And that's it. Your voice matters. By submitting an AIP, you help shape the future of ApeCoin DAO. Let's build a stronger community, one proposal at a time, and all you need is one ApeCoin.